Hello there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new on my channel, hello. My name is Aisha. I love all things beauty related. Anything pertaining to beauty, makeup, skincare, I am all for it. I'm just a beauty girl, just a glam girl, which I'm sure if you're on my page, you are as well. And today I actually have something fun for you guys. Today I'm going to be a little bit more behind the scenes. This is the only time you're going to see me on camera because I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually organize all of my beauty kits. I have 4 or 5 different makeup kits that I use for different side gigs that I do. I do freelance work. It's not my full-time job, but I do that on the side when I have the time to permit to. So if you like organizations such as me, then stay tuned to watch this video. And before I take you to the next room to see where I have all my kits out prepared for you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, show my new channel some love, and stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back from behind the camera. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys what the kits look like from a distance. These are my kits. These are my kits. Alright, so now we're gonna go by each one by one. But I just thought I'd give you guys just an overview how I organize it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so this is kit number 1. And this is kit number 2. So these are my 2 main kits that I use when I do my gigs. The kit to the left is I have for more lighter skin tones if somebody's Caucasian, and then this side is for women of color. So I keep the darker shades here. These are all dark shades, darker lip liners, darker lip pencils. This side has the lighter lip pencils, lighter eyeliners, which is browns. These have darker lip liners like plums, dark browns, colors that look good on darker skin tones. And just it's easier. I like to be organized, so it's just easier if I have one kit for one thing, one kit for another. If you guys want me to go more in detail, I could do a more detailed one, but I just wanted to just give you guys an idea of how I organize my kits. I have foundations. For a little time I worked for Bobbi Brown, so I love their foundations. So these are just the travel size ones, they're not full size. Glosses, I have all my glosses here, more glosses there. Lashes. I like the Trish McAvoy kits because they have everything all in one little thing. So literally you can carry so much stuff. It's hard to open something when you got a camera in your hand. So I'm trying to multitask. But these kits are great because you can put everything in these small little things. Let's see, so we have powders, all different types of powders. I put little dots, stars, or hearts on all of my stuff so it's easy to locate. If I'm working with another makeup artist, sometimes our makeups get mixed up. So that's how I locate my items. This is my darker skin tone, so you can see these colors look a lot darker. So that is my foundations, my concealer, powders. I keep a little bit of my brushes that I use frequently in here, but I carry a little container bin that I keep my brushes in, some glosses, my lip liners, mascara, lashes. Then I just have a kit where I keep all my hygiene stuff. Hygiene comes first, so I keep my mascara wands, my lip gloss wands. Eye makeup removal, primer is key, so I always have primer. Those are all the hearts in the store, so I can track all my stuff and know that it's mine. Believe it or not, I have done gigs with other makeup artists and they try to put their stuff right beside mine and legit take some of my stuff when I know it was mine, but I had no way of proof that it was mine. So now if somebody takes something, I can be well, actually, this is mine because I keep little stars and hearts on everything. And then they're oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't realize. I'm yeah, sure, okay, no problem. But yes, so these are like my primers. And then I keep some eyeshadows, some little extra shadows back here. I love like the Naked palettes, Urban Decay, Born to Run. It's hard to open with one hand. I don't think I want you to open it. But I'm sure you guys know what that looks like. Some blushes. And then this is like my backup kit where I keep like all like miscellaneous stuff that I don't have space to put in the other kits, so I interchange this stuff out. So I have like lip palettes, loose powders, foundation concealers, some lipsticks. These are like loose powders, eyeshadows. These are like more powders, more blush. And then this kit is when I do like fantasy makeup, like costume makeup. I do have an airbrush machine, so this is like the thing that I use for my airbrush machine. I mostly use like black when I use my airbrush machine to like I stencil like things onto people's skin. I have like a whole like stencil thing that from Dinair that you can do stencils on someone. This is like for Halloween one year, I made somebody into Kat Von D, so you could even see where like I use the airbrush where the black is at. So I use this to airbrush, use this airbrushing, face powder, all like Halloween stuff. This is from my airbrush machine, the Dinair colors that I use when somebody wants something colored. Cream makeup, all this fun stuff. But yeah, this is just a quick little overview of my kits that I use when I do my gigs. I'm not going to go too into detail because unless maybe you guys want a video, then you can just comment below and let me know if you guys want me to do more in detail. But this is just like a little quick snippet of my stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed how I organize everything. See you in the next video. Bye.